There we go. Well, after the main issues, which is that blown turbo and the 6 injectors, she is now sitting pretty at temp, idling just fine. I've been working on this thing since March. Be a little fancy with the AC. Yep, power windows work. Of course, I upgraded the factory radio. It's a little cheapy, but it works. I'm just so excited that it is now running. Especially since it's got 70 pounds of diesel with treatment in them. So, definitely get some test running done around town and that. Okay, so you hear one turbo at about 1500, and you hear them both spool up at 2. T-Bone! T-Bone, stop eating my paint! T-Bone! T-Bone! Slowly get my foot off the accelerator. That way the engine can get used to running by itself without me having to push on it or killing it by just dropping my foot off.